Hello everyone, if you have been watching your favorite movies or anime on your PC or laptop at the standard frame rate, then this video is for you. The movie industry typically records at 24 FPS, which is the standard playback rate as well. Increasing the frame rate enhances the motion clarity, resulting in a smoother viewing experience.
Oh my god! Wow!
For example, if a video recorded at 30 FPS is played back at 60 FPS using frame interpolation, it appears smoother. To enhance your streaming experience, you will need a software called Lossless Scaling, which you can purchase from Steam. If you are a PC gamer, this is likely something you should have. Let's move to the enhancement part. At first, open a movie in a browser, VLC or another media player, then pause it so it's ready to stream in the background. After that, open the Lossless Scaling software from Steam. In the frame generation tab, set the tab to LSFG 3.0, change the mode to fixed, and set the integer multiple to 7. Since movie playback is typically 24 FPS, multiplying by 7 gives 168, which is the maximum FPS I can achieve. Remember, you can exceed your monitor refresh rate. For me, it's 170 Hz. Ensure your browser or media player is in windowed mode for applying upscaling. Next, keep the setting at default in Capture and Cursor tab. After that, go to the Crop Input tab to eliminate the toolbar and settings bar from the browser or media player while streaming. For example, if you are using the Edge browser, you might use values like 140 for the top, 70 for the left, 100 for the bottom, and 100 for the right, which works for me. Feel free to adjust these according to your preferences. Moving on, in the Scaling tab, select the type FSR for movies and max out the sharpness bar. Set the mode to custom and configure the factor based on the crop input from the previous step. This scaling factor should allow the image to fit your full screen. For my setup, a factor of 1.75 works well. I recommend keeping the resize before scaling option turned off. If you want to dive deeper into what each option does, you can click the video card in the top right corner. Once you have configured everything, click on Upscale. After completing these steps, you should notice a significant enhancement in the stream quality and overall playback. The stream should appear smoother and more visually pleasing. While the difference may not be immediately obvious in the video, but the improvement is substantial. Keep in mind that with the fast moving objects like a ball in a cricket match, you might notice some ghosting effects around the edges. If you are streaming anime, simply set the upscaling type to anime 4K in the scaling tab, while keeping the other settings the same. Then click on Upscale to apply. I hope this guide helps you enhance your movie watching experience. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.